Good morning, guys. Welcome to the channel. Bullets Garage here. I want to give you guys a quick channel update before we get started with today's video. As you guys know from some of the Instagram posts I made, we went to Road America for the Lexus Racing Hospitality event. It was absolutely stunning and awesome. I had so much footage of that, but unfortunately my computer crashed. All the files got wiped. That video will not be coming out. I'm so sorry about that. But next year we'll make sure that doesn't happen. On today's video though, we're going to change out some of this chrome. So you can see this black chrome around the whole grille, and especially right here at the bottom, you could see that it's pretty tore up and pitted from the rock chips and road debris. So I'm gonna vinyl wrap this gloss black today to kind of make it a little more cleaner and stealthier. There is some pretty crazy angles on here, so hopefully we'll be able to make this wrap job come out nice, but we're gonna take our time, work slowly, and hopefully get it done. So enjoy. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, you see it there. About an hour and a half of frustration and cussing, but we got the install done. I'm not a professional, it's not 100%, but look from right here. Can you tell how nice it looks? The black. It's a subtle change. Let me move this chair out of the way. It is a subtle change, but I think it gives the front end a little more distinction, so you could actually, like, it blends in because there's nothing chromy about the front besides the headlights. There's a whole lot of black accents, and now I just think it flows a lot better with it. Let me bring you in a little closer. Alright, what do you see? Do you see imperfections? Because there is some imperfections, but I mean, nobody's gonna come up and put their head right here and start looking, oh man, this is not perfect, it's not perfect. But for me, I think it looks great. I have no complaints about it. I love it. Comment below, guys. Please comment below. I want to hear what you guys think. Does it change the look of the front end for the better or for the worse? Do you like that chrome or not? Let me know. I'll see you on the next one. Take care.